Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dion. This is the crazy troll nation of YouTube. The crazy because we have fun playing in face paint, whether we like how it turns out or not. And the troll because even if we don't like how it turns out, or even if it's a day we don't wear face paint, we know it's still okay to come on here and do a video. So here it is about self-acceptance and self-love, embracing your natural features, enhancing them with face paint if you want to, but not feeling like we need to fit somebody else's standards, or expectations of what we should look like or what product or brand or tool we should use. And so that is the concept. It's just love yourself for how you look, love yourself for who you are, regardless of what anybody else may say or think, and wear what you want to wear. And even if it comes out not the way we want, rock it with confidence anyway. I do curse sometimes on my channel. I'm still trying to remember to say that in my intro. I'll show you what else you'll see here on this channel. Today has been a day. This look did not come out at all like I wanted to the point where I had thought, okay, I'm not even going to do the other videos I was going to do today. But I said, you know what? This is the Crazy Troll Nation. We're going to rock it. There is so much wrong with this look, and you guys are probably like, where? I could point it out, but that's not this video. And so, yes, my eyes are like super teary. I don't know what's going on. And there's a red thing going on in here again, like what happened a few weeks ago. Yo, I don't know. But this video, another Throwback Thursday, because this is Natasha Denona's Bloom Blush and Glow Palette. I purchased it during the Sephora sale. I am Rouge. I get 20% off. That brought this from $55 down to $44, even though probably in another 6 months it'll be half off on her website. But I'm going to try not to think about that, and I'll try not to feel bad if that happens. And so this is not new. It's good for 18 months after you open it. Today is April 14th. And so we're going to apply these. And also what we're going to do that I purchased, you know what? This will be a Try It Tuesday. Because we're trying this even though this is a throwback, but we're also going to, because this is just highlight and blush, we're also going to use both of Makeup by Mario's blushes. One is in dark and one is in deep. So one's going to go on one side and one's going to go on the other side. So I have not used either one of those or this yet. So thank you for being here to help me try it on Tuesday. See what we did there? And I have brushes laid out. What we're going to use is for the two cream products in here, we're going to use our MAC 130S brushes. One for the cream base highlight thing and one for the cream blush. For the highlight, we're going to use Scott Barnes Travel Highlighter Brush. For the cream blush, the Dual Glow. Ooh, excuse me. We're going to use our Sephora Pro Foundation Brush number 47. I like these shapes for foundation, but also for cheek. And for Mario's shades, we're going to use our Scott Barnes number 64 brushes. And I just remembered I didn't do swatches after I did this look, and I said in that video that I would, so damn it, I'm gonna have to go back and do that. I mean, not damn it in a bad way, but this is just getting worse, and the teariness and all of that, and so maybe I'll just apologize in that video. So anyway, we're gonna open this up. It does have a cover here to protect the creams from the powders. Yes, these are from when I swatched it, so you see I had my grubby fingers in it. So we're going to take, this says Glow Cream Base, and so we're going to take that first. This eye is really tearing. I don't know why. And you can see where I'm pushing it in. We're pushing the brush in. So what is this? Glow Cream Base. So I'm going to put it here like it's a highlight. And now I'm actually going to wiggle. And so we're going to put this here all the way up to here. A tear is about to come down. I can feel it. So we're going to go back in. And it's right, and we're going right on my jawbone, because right here I can feel the bone. So that's where we're putting it. I can feel my bone. You can put your highlight, your glow wherever you want to. That is, and I do like a lit from within. I'm tapping again this time. Excuse me, my allergies are acting up. If it sounds funny, let me know, because I have a fan oscillating over here. It's like over 70 degrees in my apartment. Actually, it's almost 80 degrees in my apartment, and I refuse to turn the air conditioning on yet. So we're going to take the clean one. Oh, it's tearing upward. I can feel it going into my crease. And we're going to go into the cream blush, this shade here. We're taking the clean one. I think I just said that. And this we are just tapping in, because if you saw my haul video when I swatched it, ooh, y'all. This color, it is deep. So I knew from that, I'm like, I need to go in with a light hand. A light hand. Y'all know I be saying stuff backward. And I do keep my blush a little further back unless there's more of just a flush of color. The back of my throat is itching. Like something's aggravating my allergies. Oh gosh, I should have started back here, because now that's not even. Oh Lord. Ooh. I'm gonna try and feather it back. And I didn't want to bring it down, but I need to blend it, and I don't want to take it up. So we're just blending. What I could do, I already washed my foundation brush. What I was going to say is I can use my foundation brush, but then I can also, I'm tapping in real light, boink, because it is way uneven. I can just take another brush and put translucent powder over it. Excuse me. My allergies, y'all, like what? Look, my eyeshadow is creasing. My tears are going upward, which is weird. If it doesn't pull enough to come down, it goes up into my crease. Tell me I'm not the only one, because sometimes I think I am the only one that happens to, because when I say it to people, I'm tapping in again twice, because this side is way darker, but I do think I am going to take translucent powder and put over it, or not, because this is a try on, so we're just trying it. See, this is the look I don't like, even though it does make my cheeks look chiseled, but I kind of like it when my cheeks look puffy, because my cheeks are puffy. Instead of seeing like a blob of color like a clown, like how it's a little circle of red, which is not, but when I look straight, that's what it reminds me of, just like a little circle of red, like on a clown's face. Oh gosh, and on this eye again, this, whew, we're not going to put powder on it, because we're going to put the glow on top of it, and we're just going to see what it does. But what I am going to do, I'm going to take that first brush and just tap right here, because this line looks harsh. Where this one looks blended, this one doesn't. And so we're just going to tap to try and tone that down. And it worked awesome. We're learning here. This is why it's a Try It Tuesday. We're learning, and it worked. Okay, I was wondering if I want to do it down here, but no, because this is a glow color. So we're going to close this. We're going to go in with the highlight, which says Glow Extreme, and we're going to, this is a powder. Both of these on the bottoms are powders, and this we're going to put where we put that first cream base, the one that was just a glow. So we're going to concentrate that up here. The back of my throat is itching like crazy. Nose is running, eyes are tearing. We're going back in. Excuse me. I like that. It reminds me of the Diamond and Blush one, how it's like a subtle there, not there highlight. I really like that. The back of my throat is itching me like crazy. Excuse me. We're going to just wiggle twice, and we're going to tap that down here. And this says Dual Glow. So this was that orange one that was really pretty, but it's not looking like a Dual Glow right now. Excuse me. In a way I do when I go like this, but then in a way I don't. So we're going to wiggle it in again. Excuse me. Wiggle in again. I see it more so on this side, and I think it might be my lighting. It's like an ombre-ish kind of look. I like that. So we're done with this. We're going to close that up. Oh, my eyes, my eyes. A troll's life is so hard. All right, so, excuse me. I'm opening these up because dark and deep always throws me off. This is deep, this is dark. And in person, this is like really red, like a deep brick red. So that's why I'm doing this, to try to get you to see what I see. Because there's no way today I'm turning off all these lights. Yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. Yeah. So deep is deeper than dark. And that's what always confuses me. Like, is deep deeper than dark, or is dark darker than, I don't know. So this is deep. Tap, tap. Oh. And feather upward. Yo, I cut my hair yesterday and I forgot to, well, I didn't do like my hairline, and I have hair. Look at all this hair, like all, I'm like, am I part werewolf now? I never noticed that before. Do you see? And I just remembered when I was putting the powder here, like this is all hair. Look at them, like what the hell? And I'm tapping back in. I just tapped in twice. That's nice. But I do need to go light because you see this shade. You see this shade. I'm going to tap the tip in. Tap the tip in twice again. And bring that down here. Ooh, look at that. Tap this side in twice. I don't know if I want to do my forehead because I'm sweating, so it's going to stick. Let me just tap lightly. There it goes. Excuse me. I am really going through it today. So that is Deep. Makeup by Mario Deep on my skin tone. And we're going to take the clean brush and go into dark. My eyes are tearing like, oh. All right, let me just tapping in, tap off, tapping it here. Is that the right side of the brush? Because at first it looks like it's not. So I'm tapping in, tapping off. Excuse me, hiccuping. Whew, I'm so rude. Oh, that was too much and it's too far down. Oh, this is the fun with try-ons because it's like you don't really know what's gonna happen. Ooh, that is too far down. Tapping in on the side because we're going to bring it down, bring it along our jawline. Excuse me. Tapping in again, tapping off. My allergies are really taking me through something. I like how this one is up higher. This one I came down too far, so I'm not liking that. I'm tapping in just a little bit. But that can be fixed with translucent powder, and I think we'll do that just so you can see. All right, so that is that. So this side is dark. Switching brushes. Look at my eye, I'm tearing. And this side is deep. We're going to go into our translucent powder, Too Faced Ethereal Setting Powder. Born This Way, some long title. And we're only going to put a tiny bit in the cap. We're going to use the brush we use for this shade. And we're just going to put that right here. Just to try to tone that down just here in this area. Did it work? Yeah, but now it looks a little dusty. So what I'm going to do now is, because it looks a little dusty, I am like really crying here. We're going to take our Fashion Fair, which is the powder I use for setting. I'm going to take just a teeny tiny bit. And we're going to put that in the same place, just so it doesn't look ashy. So this is our try on for today, our try it for today. We used the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow. We've used all 4 of the shades in here. I am liking this look. And again, this is the Deep Makeup by Mario on this side. Let me know what you think about this in general and with the bronzer. And for this side, this is Makeup by Mario bronzer in, I keep looking and keep forgetting, in dark. And so let me know what you think about how that looks also. And so the highlight glow blush situation and the dark bronzer situation and the deep bronzer situation. That'll be it for this video. I am just a mess. Thank you for being here. I would say sorry, but this is life. Things happen. And I want you to know it's okay that even when something happens, it's okay to still do a video. You know, we're humans. Life is life. Things happen. And we just roll with it. We rock and roll with it on this train. And I thank you for being here with me. And you will see me, hopefully not this much of a mess, in my next video. Thanks.